What's up guys, it's in the morning at the moment and we're just coming to town to see this under the bridge. Like there's nowhere to go at the moment. As the shirt, wearing the shirt, so I can't get a tripod. I don't know what to do about this now. Let's go back up, man. Now you're recording. I'm joking, chill. Water is just like everywhere. It's flooding at the moment and we're trying to, everything's shut in town as well. We're just walking home at the moment and it's pouring, it's raining. Oh, water, the camera, fantastic, brilliant. Yeah, go top.
Team are you? Wait.
Oh, what do you mean? What team am I?
What team are you?
I'm Barcelona.
Oh, what color are you?
I'm the blue and red one.
That's not.
Hard to play one hand. Ooh.
That's not blue.
Hey, it is red and blue. There, I'm running with it now. No, you're not in the camera. No. What do you want?
Camera.
The camera. Why do you want a camera for?
Because I want to take a picture of the door.
Of the door. Are you sure you want to take a picture of the door?
Yeah.
No, not in the camera. Go on, take shot. Press X. This one here. X. Whoa. Side the camera.
Hey.
So yeah, I just won this little kid. Won him 2-0. Yeah, Real Madrid. He was moaning about the teams, so I just thought, yeah, I'd do Real Madrid instead. You can be FC Barcelona if you want. So, what do you think of the game?
I think he just lied talking me about the game. He just let me miss about 89.
No. I didn't slide tackle. I slide tackled you because it's part of the game. You didn't give me a yellow card. How's that my fault? Billy, just admit it. I won you. Hi guys, I want to finish this video of today with just saying that I'm sorry for the video being too short today, and I should have made it longer, but I didn't have that many stuff to record. So inshallah next week will be longer and better. So just go like and subscribe down below and leave me comments and a thumb.